Everyone dreams of becoming rich. Life becomes easy without any worries of necessities. It takes a lot of hard work for some people to become rich. Not everyone inherits a family fortune or business. You need to create a solid plan to become rich. Then, you need to take action to fulfill your goals. Here are some ways that will help get you rich. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. One of the most common ways to become rich is creating a YouTube channel. You need to create unique and entertaining content. The goal is to gain a lot of viewers and subscribers. Your channel earns more money when you have a lot of views, and many views increase the odds of people clicking ads. A large number of subscribers may lead to promotions from major brands. A YouTube channel needs time to grow a strong group of followers. There are rare cases of some channels becoming huge in a few days, weeks, or months. The reality is, most channels on YouTube take years to become huge. It is a wise investment if you deliver great content. Number 2. Create a website. A website or blog is a great way to get rich. Anyone can make a website these days. Many host providers offer tools to create stellar websites. You need to monetize your site to earn money. Most businesses, such as Amazon and Google, have programs for affiliates. However, this method requires a lot of patience. It will take time for your website to grow. You need to build good content, and Google needs to rank your pages. A website can be a great investment if you can generate a large amount of revenue. Number 3. Start a business. You can start a business. It requires a lot of work, but can be very rewarding. You need to research the tools for your type of business to be successful. Look at competitors' campaigns and offer a better product. Learn customers' needs and requirements in the market. Then provide the type of product that they want from your business. Number 4. Create music. If you have a talent for singing or playing an instrument, then consider creating music. This is a great opportunity to earn money. There are many ways to promote and sell your music. YouTube, Apple, Google Play, and iTunes are great places to share your music. You will need a spectacular voice, good lyrics, and good beats to sell your music. Number 5. Develop a video game. Video games are very common games for consoles and mobile devices. Many software companies develop and sell programs to create video games. There are very simple programs, like the RPG Maker for the average person to create a video game. You can market it and sell it to your targeted audience. Number 6. Write an ebook. There is a question for everything. You can answer those questions in an ebook. Write an ebook to teach someone how to do something. People are always seeking answers to a problem. You sell an ebook at Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Number 7. Invest in stocks. One of the riskiest methods to get rich is investing in stocks. You are basically gambling on a company's success. I suggest investing in a startup company. Your investment may pay you millions if the startup is a major success. Number 8. Buy property and rent it. You can get a loan to purchase property and rent it to credible tenants. You will earn money from charging rent to tenants. Then, the earnings begin paying the loan. Your property will eventually begin to generate revenue after your loan is paid in full. It can be a lifetime investment, and you can pass it on to your children. Number 9. Win the lottery. Anyone can become rich in an instant by winning the lottery. This requires pure luck, and only a few people have won the biggest prizes. Many people assume the Powerball and Mega Millions are the only options to get rich from the lottery. There are other games to play to win large sums of money. Check your state for lotteries that start at $1 million. Number 10. Spend money. Finally, you must spend money to make money. All of these ideas to getting rich require you to spend your dollars. Every method to earn money requires an investment. You must research your industry to understand the potentials of your investment. Then, you implement those strategies and start earning money. Thanks for watching.